Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. WinTrader, the trading supporting software. Our software support all major financial market. With one software, we'll get all the signals from all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex. And our software support all type of trading like scalping, intraday and swing trading. And in our software it gives signals, buy and sell signals. You don't need to take all the signals. First we have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then only we can take that position. So checking the confirmation is very simple and easy. If it is confirmed signal, then definitely in that signal you will get 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. Means it gives 80 to 90% accuracy. And as I told, software gives signals. We don't need to take all the signal. First you have to check the confirmation. There are two confirmation filters in our software. If these two confirmations are okay, then only we can take the position. So if right now I'm going to give you a live demonstration of our software. So if you are interested to know more about our software, or if you are interested to check the live demo, you can directly contact me. You can contact me. My number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number also. You can directly call or WhatsApp me, and our other details like our website details are all mentioned in the description box. And right now I give you the explain about the software, how we can take a position confirm signal. Right now I open this Tata Chemical, Tech Mahindra, and you can see the current market value is 1034.40. This is the real time market value, and you can see this white vertical line, that is the daybreak line. So today's market start from here, this candle, and you can see this green up arrow, that is a buy signal, and red one is the sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, at the same time there is a pop-up, there is a message, the alert message will display in your screen with the sound effect. So in this alert message you get the entry point, at what level you have to buy, at what level you have to sell. It contains the exact entry point. But before taking the position, as I told, you have to check the confirmation. Before taking the position, you have to check the confirmation whether the market will go up or not. You have to check the confirmation. If it is confirmed signal, then directly we can take the position in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform you are using, you can take the position in your broker platform. You can see we got a buy here, and the price you can see in the buy in the above dashboard also it will display that entry point. We got a buy at 1023.75 and the time is 9:55, and as per this signal all target has been achieved. So before taking the signal, you have to check, as I told, there is only two confirmation. If it is buy signal, on below you can see the price should be in buy zone. It will show here like price in buy zone, and the second confirmation below the arrow there is a bar is there na. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then it should be in green color. If these two confirmations are okay, that means the signal is confirmed, then you can directly take that position. It's very easy na. So there is no prediction. It's working with the real time market. Whatever the market condition, the same you can check it in our software. And as per the in this version we are using 55 custom based indicators. It's working with the real time data and gives all the indication. So in the background it's working and gives all the indication. So if it is confirmed signal, then 80 to 90% accuracy will be there. So confirmation means if it is buy signal, first confirmation price should be in buy zone, and the below bar, the arrow, we got a bar, arrow here now. On below that arrow there is a bar, that is a confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color. Same color means if it is buy signal, it should be in green color. So if these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position. You just check the previous signal. We got a sell signal. Yesterday we got a sell signal, but it's not a confirmed signal now. You can see on below the bottom bar, it is not confirming. If it is sell signal, then it should be in red color. So it is not confirmed. Likewise, you can avoid fake signal also. So if it is confirmed, you have to, software gives automatic signal, but we don't need to take all the signal. First you have to check the confirmation. If it is confirmed, then only we can take the position. So checking this software is very easy and simple. And the same strategy can apply for all segments like MCX, NSE cash, future option, currency, agri, COMEX and forex. And you can see all the features are here, like software gives automatic signal. There is a re-entry signal also. Software gives a sideway indication, a resistance support level also display in the screen. We'll give you detailed training also. Means if you are interested to purchase the software, then you can, after checking the live demo, you can directly if you are interested to purchase, then directly we can install the software in your system within 10 minutes and give a training session also, and lifetime support will be there. And if you are interested to know more about the software, and if you are interested to watch the live demo, you can directly call me. And thank you for watching my video.